Picture this scene. You have just spent upwards of £150,000 on a brand new, top-of-the-line European SUV. You walk up to it on your driveway, sink into the hand-stitched quilted leather, admire the beautifully polished walnut veneer, and tap the slightly updated infotainment touchscreen. You tell yourself that you have reached the absolute pinnacle of human engineering. You feel untouchable, insulated by a century of automotive heritage. But I am here to tell you a very uncomfortable truth. You are driving a beautifully decorated dinosaur. For decades, the legacy automakers in Germany, Britain, and Italy have held a monopoly on the luxury SUV market. They grew comfortable. They grew arrogant. They spent the last 10 years arguing over the tone of their exhaust notes and figuring out how to charge you an extra £2,000 for a different shade of carbon fiber. But while they were sleeping at the wheel, a terrifying storm has been brewing in Shenzhen and Shanghai, and it has just made landfall. China is no longer just catching up to the West. They are not copying homework anymore. They are playing an entirely different sport on an entirely different planet. We are witnessing an extinction-level event for traditional car makers. The vehicles we are looking at today are not just cars. They are rolling supercomputers, alien technology disguised as family transport. These are the 5 most mind-bending, physics-defying, and utterly insane Chinese SUVs that are about to make your premium European off-roader look like a Victorian horse-drawn carriage. Grab a drink and settle in, because the automotive world as you know it is over. Let's start with a vehicle that doesn't just push the boundaries of physics, it actively points and laughs at them. Meet the BYD Yangwang U8. When you first look at it, you see a 3.5-ton behemoth. It is massive, imposing, and looks like it should handle with the dynamic grace of a cathedral. But beneath that squared-off, brutalist jawline lies BYD's revolutionary E4 architecture. The engineers looked at the traditional 4-wheel drive system, with its heavy gearboxes, transfer cases, and locking differentials, and threw it entirely in the bin. Instead, they gave each individual wheel its own dedicated, high-performance electric motor. The result is a violently absurd 1,184 brake horsepower, because each wheel operates completely autonomously. The U8 can do things a terrestrial vehicle simply shouldn't do. Need to turn around in a tight, dead-end alleyway. It doesn't do a 3-point turn, it pirouettes. It can spin a flawless 360 degrees on its own axis, tearing up the tarmac with opposing wheel rotations while you sit inside in absolute, serene silence. But the real insanity happens when things go catastrophically wrong. Imagine doing 70 miles an hour down the motorway, and your front tire suddenly blows out. In a normal 2-ton SUV, physics takes over, and you are preparing for a deadly rollover. The U8? Its central brain calculates the loss of grip in milliseconds, instantly manipulating the torque on the remaining 3 wheels to keep this massive block of steel driving perfectly straight. You could drive safely to the hard shoulder without even touching the steering wheel. And if you are foolish enough to drive it into a deep lake, the car knows. It automatically seals the cabin, shuts down the combustion range extender, rolls up the windows, opens the sunroof for an emergency exit, raises its suspension, and literally floats. It becomes a fully buoyant boat, using the rotation of its massive tires to paddle you back to dry land at 2 miles per hour. It is a luxury tank that simply refuses to let you die. If the BYD U8 is a highly trained bodyguard in a tailored tuxedo, our next contender is a bare-knuckle street brawler carrying a sledgehammer. Enter the Jetour G-Series. There is absolutely no subtle elegance here, and that is entirely the point. This is a machine built from the ground up to look a Land Rover Defender or a Mercedes G-Wagon dead in the eyes and make them flinch. Jetour looked at the hyper-expensive BOT military-grade technology that BYD reserved for the absolute elite and decided to unleash it on the masses. They have taken the concept of the invincible off-roader and democratized the insanity. This plug-in hybrid monster pushes well over 900 horsepower, wrapping it in a shell that looks like it just survived a dystopian war. Because it uses a hybrid system, it completely eliminates range anxiety in the wilderness. You can drive deep into the absolute middle of nowhere, relying on the combustion engine to feed the battery, while still delivering the instantaneous, neck-snapping torque of an electric vehicle. It features the same mind-bending torque vectoring tricks, the same ability to conquer deep water, and the same absolute disregard for tough terrain, but it delivers it all with an unapologetic, aggressive swagger. It doesn't just want to conquer the mud, the rocks, and the snow. It wants to humiliate the old guard while doing it. Driving this isn't just a fashion statement on the school run. It is a direct threat to every overpriced, under-equipped European off-roader parked outside the local country club. It is raw, brute force engineering handed over to the absolute madmen. Now, let's leave the mud, the rocks, and the rivers behind and step into the razor-sharp future of pure silicon, because calling the Aito M9 an SUV feels entirely wrong. It is a 100,000-pound high-voltage smart device that you happen to sit inside. Born from a collaboration between automotive manufacturer Ceres and the tech Leviathan Huawei, the M9 reimagines what luxury actually means in the 21st century. European brands still believe that luxury is defined by how many dead cows you can stitch to the dashboard and how shiny the wood veneer is. Huawei believes that luxury is defined by processing power, sensors, and an unbroken software ecosystem. Let's look at the front of the car. The headlights aren't just lamps to see in the dark. They are 2-megapixel cinematic projectors. Pull up to a blank white wall, and you can literally project a 100-inch high-definition movie directly from your front bumper. But it's not just a party trick. When driving on a pitch-black, winding country road in the pouring rain, these lights project augmented reality driving paths directly onto the tarmac, guiding you through the corners like a fighter jet targeting interface. But the back seat is where the old world truly dies. Press a button on the door panel, and a massive 32-inch laser screen descends from the panoramic roof. The rear executive seats recline into a scientifically calibrated zero-gravity posture. The acoustic glass completely silences the outside world, and the windows plunge into absolute darkness. You are now sitting in a private off-rolling cinema, traveling at 70 miles an hour, while the solid-state LiDAR on the roof takes over the driving. The Changkun autonomous system flawlessly dodges unmapped obstacles, phantom pedestrians, and erratic traffic without breaking a sweat, all while you watch a film in the back. It makes a Range Rover feel like a tractor. If you thought the industry had reached its peak with 800-volt charging architectures, prepare to have your mind completely blown. Enter the newly unleashed BYD Great Tang. This SUV does not just move the goalposts, it rips them out of the ground and throws them into orbit. While Porsche and Audi are currently patting themselves on the back for charging speeds, the Great Tang operates on a terrifying 1,000-volt architecture. It features a revolutionary flash charging system that takes the battery from 10% to 97% in a surreal 9 minutes. You cannot even drink a cup of coffee in 9 minutes. But the voltage is only half the story. Equipped with dual-chamber air suspension and an advanced rear-wheel steering system that pivots up to 7 degrees, this SUV possesses a dynamic trick that breaks the minds of Western engineers: the crab walk. If you are boxed into an impossibly tight parking space or facing a treacherous off-road obstacle, the Great Tang can articulate its wheels to drive diagonally. It literally slides sideways out of a space, like it is gliding on ice. It is a massive family SUV that completely defies conventional geometry. It charges faster than a smartphone, moves like a crustacean, and makes every other electric vehicle on the market look instantly obsolete. Finally, we arrive at the ultimate disruption, the vehicle that doesn't just challenge the competition, it breaks the entire infrastructure of how we use cars. Meet the Nio ES9. This is a massive 5.36-meter giant. It is a cathedral of glass, aluminium, and steel that absolutely dwarfs an Audi Q7 in both footprint and presence. While the European automotive industry is throwing a massive party because they finally figured out how to mass-produce 800-volt architectures, Nio bypassed it entirely and built the ES9 on a staggering Bati next-generation 900-volt framework. But here is the most insane part of this entire video. The feature that truly breaks the mold. You never actually have to plug this car in. Range anxiety. It is dead and buried. You pull this Leviathan into a Nio power swap station. Take your hands off the steering wheel, and the car completely parks itself. Underground. A ballet of robotics unbolts your empty battery, removes it, and smashes a fully charged one into the chassis. 3 minutes later, you are driving back onto the motorway with 100% range. It literally takes longer to fill a petrol tank. And despite weighing as much as a small moon, the ES9 features advanced steer-by-wire technology. There is no physical connection between the steering wheel and the front tires. Combined with those pivoting rear wheels, this 697 horsepower monster has the turning circle of a tiny compact hatchback. Inside the cabin, the glass doesn't just feature a simple tint. It uses liquid crystal matrices that shift the windows from crystal clear to pitch black in exactly 17 milliseconds. It is a supercomputer that bends time, space, and infrastructure to your will. So, where exactly does this leave us? For over a century, the formula for building a luxury SUV was set in stone. You add a bigger combustion engine. You use slightly softer leather. You add some ambient lighting, and you charge double the price. But the 5 extraordinary machines we have explored today prove that the old rules have been completely incinerated. The disruption erupting from China is no longer about building cheaper, budget-friendly cars to undercut the European market. It is about building impossibly better ones. They have taken the concept of the family SUV and turned it into an amphibious tank, a hardcore off-grid street brawler, a rolling cinema, a crab-walking 1000-volt shapeshifter, and a battery-swapping supercomputer. They have taken what we thought was impossible and made it standard equipment. If the legacy automakers in Stuttgart, Bas, Munich, and Solihull don't wake up right now, drop their arrogance, and realize that the game has fundamentally changed, they won't just lose market share, they will become history. They will become the Nokia of the automotive world. But what about you? If you were handed the keys today, with no budget limits, which of these 5 absolute monsters would you park in your driveway? Would you take the 1000-volt BYD Great Tang or the battery-swapping Nio ES9? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see where the automotive world is actually heading, hit that subscribe button for more Drive and RPM, and I will see you in the next one.